Hello friends, with Lakme EyeLiner 9 ml black you can define the outline of your eyes with the color which creates a gorgeous look. The Lakme Liner is lightweight and is a comfortable eye makeup for perfect definition. It is water resistant formula ensures no smudging or smearing and its deep intense color does not fade. You can apply it on your eyes and it gives a bold and long lasting impression. It has a smudge proof free formula that sets instantly and glides on easily to deliver intense color. You can get the precision of a liquid liner with the ease of the liquid based formula. It is more intense formula makes it long lasting and which lasts for up to 24 hours for a iconic look. With its intense and exclusive expert liner brush which allows you to draw the lines as desired from the fine to thick, and the new improved formula that glides smoothly without seizing, and the liquid texture dries up quickly and is resistant to sweat, sebum and water. Hello friends, today I am going to unbox Lakme EyeLiner. Here you can see the barcode and the QR code. You can scan the QR code on your phone and can get total details about the product. I have brought it from Amazon.in. Here you can see the barcode. It is packed in hard cardboard casing so that the contents may not leak out, and it is tightly sealed from all sides. It is quite nice and fantastic. And now I am going to rip it open, and here I have taken out my knife and now I am cutting it through. The MRP of the product is rupees 120 INR, but I brought it for rupees 100 INR, and now I am cutting it out a little bit more and the product will be out. And here I am taking out the product and a little bit more, and here this is the bubble foam in which the eyeliner is packed, and here I am taking it out, and it is packed very tightly so that any damage to the content may not occur during seepage or it may not break during seepage. And here I have kept it aside, and this is the eyeliner and this is the bill sent by Amazon. Nothing more inside the box. I have kept them aside. Lakme EyeLiner is lightweight and is comfortable eye makeup for the perfect definition. And here you can see this is the bill sent by Amazon, and here I have kept aside the bill, and this is the eyeliner. It has a golden cap and the liquid is black in color. It is water resistant. Its water resistant formula ensures no smudging or smearing, and its deep intense black color does not fade. Lakme EyeLiner is liquid eyeliner and it's deep black in color. It comes in simple packing of transparent glass bottle and golden yellow screw cap with a fine brush applicator. The lid is handy, which is not too long or too short, and offers an easy application. It has a volume of 9 ml, and these handy eyeliner delivers subtle shine to your eyes, giving you bold and beautiful look. Here now I am opening the cap. The cap is golden in color and it comes with a fine brush applicator, and this is the brush applicator. It is neither too long or too short, so you can apply very easily, and it is very nice. With its rich black color and silky formula makes a lasting impression. With the easy to use brush handle offers a complete grip to create dark and dramatic eyes. With smudge proof formula, this eyeliner has a great staying power and lasts up to 24 hours. You can sweep on a thick bold line and enjoy beautiful highlighted eyes all day long. Lakme is an Indian cosmetic brand owned by Hindustan Lever and is found in 1952. The brand offers a wide range of cosmetic products, and Lakme introduces to you the newest trend that allows you to style your eyes in more than one way. The Lakme Eyeliner comes in small package with a sleek thin brush which also has a portable and very comfortable grip, and the thin brush is also very portable. The Lakme Insta eyeliner is manufactured specially for women. It is suitable for all skin types. The brand has been redefining fashion in India for over 15 years with Lakme Fashion Week, India's premier fashion event. With Lakme Insta Eyeliner 9 ml black, you can redefine the outlook of your eyes with the color which creates a gorgeous look. The Lakme Insta Eyeliner is lightweight and is comfortable for eye makeup for perfect definition. Its water resistant formula ensures no smudging or smearing, and its deep intense color does not fade. You can apply it to your eyes and it gives a bold and long lasting impression. It has a smudge proof formula that sets instantly and glides on easily to deliver intense color. You can get the precision of the liquid liner with the ease of the liquid based formula. It is more intense formula makes it long lasting, which lasts for up to 24 hours for a iconic look. Lakme introduces the newest trend that allows you to style your eyes in more than one way. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.